Hello friends, this is me Hafiz from Mechanical Second Year and my roll number is 160518736017. Fourth sem from ISL Engineering College, and my subject is COM, and I am taking the topic of COM, that is CAM profile, and we are going to deal with CAM. What is CAM? CAM followers and its classifications, and the definitions of keywords, classification of CAMs, motions of the followers. We are going to deal with these all topics in this video. So what is CAM? CAM is a mechanical device used to transmit motion to the follower by direct contact. A driver is called cam. Follower is cam. Following pair, the cam rotates while the follower may transmit or oscillate. A familiar example in the camshaft of an automobile engine, where the cam derives the push and rotates to the open and closed valve in synchronification with the motion of piston. And here you can see that this is camshaft and it's rotating. So the parts which you are seeing, it's cam, and this is respectively follower. So this is called cam. So it is a device which converts reciprocating motion or oscillation motion, or gives the reciprocating and oscillation motion to the follower, respective follower, that is another equipment. So now we are going to classify the followers. There are 4 types of followers, as you can see it's written here. First one is knife edge follower, the second one is roller follower, the third one is flat faced follower, also known as mushroom follower. The fourth one is spherical faced follower. The first follower is, as you can see, the first follower over here. You can see the first follower. The first follower means when the connecting end of the follower has a sharp knife. As you can see, this is sharp knife which is attached to cam. So this is called knife edge follower. Hope you got it. And the second one is roller follower. On the follower, the end of the follower is connected to the roller which is attached to cam. It is nothing but roller follower. With respect to this, the third one will be the same thing. It having the flat face, as you can see, it is really flat, and which is in the end. And the fourth one is spherical shape. You can see it is joined to follower and it is cam profile. Here you can see this is nothing but this is cam and this is the follower, and this is slide, you can say slide, and this is follower, and this is nothing but flat follower. Now according to the motion of the follower, we having reciprocating motion and oscillating and rotating motion. According to reciprocating motion, you can see the follower is going to and fro, up and down, and this is the cam and the center, and it is like this, it is going up and down. This is called reciprocating follower motion. This is oscillatory or oscillation. This is oscillating motion. As you can see, the oscillations as going on, and it is also called as rotating motion. Now we will see according to the path of the motion of the follower. We will have radial follower and offset follower. What is mean by radial follower? Radial follower is nothing but when the motion of the follower is along with the axis passing through the center of the same, known as radial follower. And offset follower is nothing but when the motion of the follower axis away from the axis cam is known as offset follower. I will show you the diagram now. Here is the diagram where you can see this is the follower and this is cam profile, and here what we are going to do is we are going to see radial follower. Radial follower is nothing but it is on axis. As you can see, it is on axis. This is the slide. I forgot to draw this. So this is the radial follower. Now you will see over here is it is offset by 20. Now you can see it is offset, it is not on axis, it is the axis but it is not on axis, it is away from the axis. This is called offset follower. It is offset by 20 centimeter. Hope you got the differences between radial follower and offset follower. Radial follower is nothing but when the motion of the follower is along with the axis passing through the center. But in offset follower, when the motion of the follower axis away from the cam axis, that is called offset follower. Here you can see the base circle. This is the keywords and definitions you can say. The base circle is nothing but it is the smallest circle drawn by the cam profile. As you know, this is base circle and it is smallest circle drawn by the cam profile. Now you will see the pressure angle. Pressure angle is nothing but it is the angle between the direction of the follower and the normal pitch curve. Now we will discuss about pitch curve. Pitch curve is nothing but it is the curve generated by trace point as the follower moves relative to the cam. This is called pitch curve. Now the prime circle is nothing but it is the smallest circle that can be down from the center of the cam and tangent to the pitch curve. As you can see, it is a prime circle. Here is the prime circle and it is here from down, and again it will come back over here. Now we are going to discuss about the follower during travel may have one of the following motion. Now follower also have different types of motions. Now we will discuss about that. The first one is uniform velocity, the second one is simple harmonic motion, the third one is uniform acceleration and retardation, the fourth one is cycloidal motion. This is not that much important and we are going to discuss all the four motions of the follower. The diagram which you are seeing now, this is the displacement velocity acceleration diagram when the follower moves uniform velocity. This is uniform velocity diagram. So when this is lift is nothing but stroke, and this is outstroke, this is dual one, and this is return stroke, and this is rest of the thing is dual two. Now we are going to deal with displacement velocity acceleration diagram when the follower moves simple harmonic motion. With respect to this, we will see how the diagram is looking like this. How to draw like this diagram. Draw a semicircle on the followed. Here it is the semicircle and you have to divide this in 6 parts. For better diagram you can also draw for or convert it into 8 parts. Later what you have to do is divide the semicircle. As I said, divide the semicircle into number of equal parts. It have to be equal, and you are dividing the semicircle and also as well as you are dividing the instroke and outstroke and instroke. You don't have to divide the dual parts of the given cam profile. Just the thing is you have to divide outstroke, instroke and semicircle. Now mark the point on point 0 to point 8, however number of parts you divided, that much points you need, and you have to just trace it with free hand like this. You have to complete the diagram. Now we are going to see displacement velocity and acceleration diagram when the follower moves uniform acceleration and retardation. As you can see, the diagram is quite different. You will have outstroke dual 1 and instroke dual 2. The same thing you have to do, you have to divide it into equal parts. That you have to divide here also in equal parts. You have to left like this only, whatever it is given dual, and here also it will be like this. You have to left this part and you have to just mark the points, and you have to just do this with free hand and you will get the proper diagram. Here it is, here it's go like this. Displacement, velocity and acceleration diagram when the follower moves cycloidal motion. Here you can see this is another diagram, and what you have to do is it will be given, you have to make a circle over on the edge of the, and this will be the equal number of parts you have to divide, then you will get cycloidal like this diagram. And with respect to every diagram you will also get the formulas. With the help of formulas you have to find many things. This is just for example, I am showing the diagram how the cramp profile look like. This is knife edge follower, this is cramp profile, and it is also divided. This is another thing we will discuss later, but the thing is I'm just showing how the question will come and how you have to draw. This is cramp profile, and this is offset. This is the offset follower, which is knife edge follower only, and you are divided again, you are dividing this all things, prime circle, that all that stuff is there. So in the discussed about cramp profile, followers classification, definitions and keywords, classification of cramp, motion of the followers, these all things we have covered in this video. Hope you understood well. We'll see you in another video. Till then, stay tuned, take care, bye.